Welcome to Session 7 of Grade 11 Advanced Algebra and Precalculus. Today we study piecewise and absolute value functions. The focus is to evaluate rules that change across intervals. By the end, you should be able to do these three things. 1. Choose the condition before substituting. 2. Evaluate boundary inputs correctly. 3. Connect absolute value to distance. A piecewise function has different rules in different input zones. When evaluating, choose the rule by reading the input condition first. Only after the correct zone is selected should you substitute the input. Suppose f of x equals x plus 4 for x less than 2, and x squared minus 1 for x greater than or equal to 2. To find f of 2, use the second rule because the condition includes 2. That gives 3. To find f of 1, use the first rule and get 5. For g of x equals the absolute value of x minus 5, think distance from 5. To the right of 5, the expression is x minus 5. To the left of 5, it is 5 minus x. That creates a V-shape with vertex at 5, 0. Your turn. If f of x equals 2x for x less than 0, and f of x equals x squared for x equals 0, what is f of negative 3? Here is the solution. Work line by line. Then check the final answer against the original question. After the video, complete these three tasks. Copy the model from the lesson, solve each one fresh, and write one error log sentence about the mistake you are most likely to make. Let's recap. Piecewise rules depend on input zones. Boundary symbols decide included points. Absolute value measures distance. A V-shaped graph has a vertex. Before moving on, write one sentence. The step I must protect is that small reflection turns the video into real self-learning.